Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice support video. In this video, we'll run through the features and demonstrate how to set up the PT100 Waterproof Thermometer with probe. Starting with temperature scale selection. To choose between Celsius and Fahrenheit, simply press and release the CF button on the bottom left. The display will update instantly. Next is the hold function. This function freezes the current measurement on the display for easy recording of results. To freeze a reading on the display, press the hold button one time. Hold will appear on the top of the LCD and the measurement at the time of pressing hold will remain on the screen. To exit this mode and resume measurement mode, press hold again. Turn on or off the backlight by pressing the backlight button on the top right. Pressing the REL button will make the meter memorize the current reading on the display. The meter will then begin to display the difference between the memorized reading and the current reading. So, for example, if we press the REL button, the device will remember the temperature was 22.6 degrees. If we then hold the probe to increase the temperature, the difference between 22.6 and the current temperature is shown. Press the REL button again to exit the relative operation and resume normal measurement mode. Pressing the min-max average button one time displays the maximum recorded value. A second press displays the minimum recorded value, and a third press displays the average value. Pressing the button a fourth time makes max, min and average blink together. This means that all the data is updated in the memory and the reading on the secondary display is the present temperature. To exit this mode, press the min, max, average button for 2 seconds. This icon on the top of the screen indicates that auto power off is enabled. This means the meter will power off after 30 minutes if there is no button pressed. To disable this function, turn the meter off. Then press and hold the hold button and power on the meter. There will be 2 beeps and the auto power off icon will disappear. The meter will now remain on until manually switched off. After setting up, the meter is ready to take temperature measurements. The temperature sensor is located at the end of the metal sheath. To accurately test temperature, insert the probe into the item you wish to measure at a distance at least 15 times the diameter of the sheath. And that's some features and how to set up the PT100 Waterproof Thermometer with probe, the C370-IC. For more information on this meter, speak with an Instrument Choice scientist. Contact details can be found in the video description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.